Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the captivating world of Pau d'Arco. Ever heard of it? If not, you're in for a treat. Pau d'Arco is a powerful herb that comes from the inner bark of the Tabebuia tree, native to the Amazon rainforest. It's been used for centuries by indigenous people for its healing properties. But what makes Pau d'Arco so special? Let's unlock its secrets. First up, its anti-inflammatory powers. Pau d'Arco is packed with compounds like lapachol and beta-lapachone, which help to reduce inflammation in the body. This can be a game changer for those suffering from arthritis, sore muscles, or any kind of chronic pain. Next, let's talk about its immune-boosting benefits. In a world where staying healthy is more important than ever, Pau d'Arco shines. Its antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties help to keep our immune system strong and resilient. Now, onto one of my favorite benefits, its potential to fight cancer. Studies have shown that Pau d'Arco may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. While more research is needed, this natural remedy could be a powerful ally in our fight against this devastating disease. But wait, there's more. Pau d'Arco is also fantastic for gut health. It helps to balance the gut microbiome, reducing harmful bacteria and promoting the growth of beneficial ones. This can lead to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and even a happier mood. And for all you skincare enthusiasts out there, Pau d'Arco has something for you too. Its antimicrobial properties make it great for treating skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and even acne. Imagine having clearer, healthier skin thanks to a natural herb. So, how can you incorporate Pau d'Arco into your routine? It's available in various forms: teas, capsules, and tinctures. Just make sure to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. All right, let's do a quick recap. Pau d'Arco: anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, potential cancer-fighting, gut-friendly, and skin-healing. Pretty impressive, right? Remember, nature has provided us with incredible resources to support our health and well-being. Pau d'Arco is just one example of the amazing benefits we can tap into. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and secrets from nature. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious. Thanks for watching.